What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Bakerytoken, which has pumped up like crazy over the last 24 hours. It is up over 72% guys, currently trading at just under 30 cents. So we're going to be looking at what has caused this massive pump. Where is it heading to next? Is it going to potentially hit 40-50 cents over the coming days, or is it going to crash back down in value? And mainly covering, is it time to buy it or is it time to sell it? So we're going to cover both on buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024. How high can this crypto go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? And guys, before I go any further, Bitcoin has pumped up to $43,500, which is an absolutely insane. Again, the crypto market has been up over the last couple of days because Bitcoin has been pumping, and yeah, every day is hitting 41, 42, and right now $43,000, getting closer to 44. But yeah, today's focus is on Bakerytoken. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bakerytoken, which is here in purple at 17 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 29 cents, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the point is that it is looking way too steep, meaning this is not realistic. It is looking quite bullish because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours, but the graph cannot expect it to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Bakerytoken to have dropped back down below 24 cents, potentially down to about 20 to 22 cents in target. But that does not mean that it's going to start dropping right now. It is likely to pump up higher to about 33, 34 cents, hitting about 35 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value, down to around 22 cents in target is what I'm expecting by midday tomorrow. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So yes, it is not realistic once again. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Bakerytoken to have dropped down below 20 cents guys. Only reason is because it's pumped up over 70% out of nowhere in the space of about 3-4 hours. So it is overvalued, it's not sustainable. So more likely that it is likely to drop back down in value over the coming days, back to where it was trading or just above where it was trading. So below 20 cents would make sense. So by mid next week, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down in value. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit the odd green day in between, but that does not change the overall outcome because it is still more on the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, I'm expecting steep lines once again. We have the blue line looking very steep, and so is the orange line as well. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late January 2024, Bakerytoken should essentially be trading around 22 to 23 cents is what I would say. It's quite reasonable, as you guys can see. Since about August time, where it was trading around 9 cents, the crypto has been going up in value at a slow and steady pace. Yes, it's had its odd red dips here and there in between, but overall we can clearly see it has been moving towards a positive direction, going from about 9 cents all the way up to about 18 cents. So it's doubled in value over the last 2 to 3 months. And I'm expecting it to hit about 23-24 cents over the next 2 months as well. So a slow and steady increase in value once the crypto has dropped back down, which again makes it more sustainable and is much more realistic as well. So whenever a major pump takes place like this one, more likely it's not going to carry on pumping, or it's less likely that it's going to stay at that price range. More or less is going to drop back down, which is what I'm expecting from Bakerytoken as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to hit the resistance target here of 49 cents, which I'm not expecting Bakerytoken to hit at the moment. Potentially mid next year is when I'm expecting it to hit the resistance target here. However, that is the long-term prediction, which again, if you guys want regular updates on Bakerytoken, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up crazy numbers, nearly 700% up, guys, to make it $208 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. Yes, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, meaning it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning a lot of people are trading the crypto, and the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours as we see more and more people trading the crypto. So for those of you asking, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? I would definitely not buy it, because as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to drop back down below 20 cents over the next couple of months. So there's literally no point in me investing into it right now, unless I'm in for the short-term trade, which I don't do. That changes everything, but I stick to the long-term trade, guys. So an overall increase in value is expected over the long term, but because it's likely to drop down in value over the coming weeks, I would not invest into the crypto right now. And from the seller's point of view, would I sell the crypto right now? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I had $1,000 invested into Bakerytoken right now, I would more than likely sell about over 50% and keep the remaining 45 to 50% for the long term, meaning I've taken out some profit and I'm also investing into Bakerytoken, which works both ways, guys. So at the end of the day, I've also taken out my profit, and again, I would only sell if I'm on a profit. I wouldn't sell if I was on a loss. But yeah, this is my take on Bakerytoken. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this token to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, I believe it should be able to hit the dollar mark towards the very end of next year. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.